Ready to be going home, sir?
Step back.
Mr. Madoff, how you feeling today? What would you say? Mr. Madoff, what would you say?
Don't make us push his back.
Why were you getting rid of all the jewelry, Mr. Madoff? Why were you getting rid of the jewelry?
It's a court order. What it means is that the judge is refusing the government's effort to detain Bernard Madoff pre-trial. It is an order that will allow him, unless it is changed by some other judge down the road, that will allow Madoff to stay out of jail under relatively stringent conditions all the way through the end of his trial if one occurs. As to the other question of whether he poses a risk to the community, I do not expect him, and I don't think the government expected him to be out shooting people or selling drugs on the street corner. The question is not whether those standard detention type crimes would be committed in the future, but whether economic crimes would be committed. The government suggested that he really might be capable of committing economic crimes, and certainly the effort to dissipate assets in this case may well have constituted such a crime.
We are going to do everything we can to assist the bankruptcy trustee in maximizing the value of the bankruptcy estate for the benefit of all creditors, including the investors, and of course for those in particular who invested through the so-called feeder funds. We'll be seeking to recover through litigation if necessary for anyone who bears liability for breaches of contract and of fiduciary duty to pre-existing earlier investors.